Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm really excited to review the Pink Cosmetics Soap Brow Kit with you guys. Now, Pink Cosmetics is definitely one of my favorite South African brands. You guys know I love their brush cleaner. They have so many amazing things. Body scrubs, body butters, they like everything just smells amazing from Pink Cosmetics. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this soap brow kit or brow soap kit rather, and let's see what's inside. Okay, so let's get into this brow soap. This is what it looks like. On the back it has a little description and it says, our hand poured pink brow soap is the best way to achieve either the bushy or fluffy brow that won't budge all day long. Either spray our setting spray or water on the soap or spoolie, rub the spoolie over the soap and apply by brushing brows upwards with soap to get a feathered look. Great for brow shaping too. Can be used before or after your eyebrow pencil or eyebrow powder. So that is great. Let's just see what's in this little box. So when you open it up, this is what's inside. You have the setting spray, the Pink Cosmetics setting spray. You have a spoolie that comes with its own little container, which I think is really nice and handy, especially for someone like me who can travel at any given time. And then we have the soap. So the soap is in this tin. It's so cute, you guys. And it kind of like slides like that. Wow, love it. So this is like a pink soap and it smells really good. Oh my god, I told you guys, Pink Cosmetics things always smell the greatest. Okay, and then I also have a little leaflet here from Pink Cosmetics as well. And by the way, you guys, they were really kind to give this to me. So I'm so excited to review and test it for you guys. And yeah, we have a step-by-step instruction leaflet here. So it says to firstly use a tissue and clean spoolie to make sure your brows are clean and remove makeup. So I'm going to use a wet wipe. Just wipe off any skincare on my brows, because I like to go over my brows when I do my skincare. I know, I'm a little weird like that. Also, I'm just going to bring you guys in just a little closer. Okay, so now we're nice and up close and personal. So the next step is to either fill in your brows or color your brows. But I think I'm going to do this as the last step. The next step is spray the mist directly onto the tin and gently rub with the spoolie, loading it up with product. What's really nice is that this whole lid also comes out. So I'm just going to take that whole lid out. Then I'm going to take the spoolie. This is such a cute spoolie. It's like pink and it's got like a glitter vibe. Love it. Then going in with the setting spray. Okay, so I just did 2 squirts of setting spray in here. And I'm just going to rub the soap and the brush. Hopefully you guys can see. Brush through your brows in an upward direction, starting at the center of your brows. As you work your way outwards, start to brush at an angle towards the edge of your face. Allow the natural shape of your brow to show through. Okay. Alright, so they want us to start from the center of the brow. And then they also say use your fingers to remove any excess product and move any stray hairs into place. Okay, I like it. I have really thick bushy eyebrows, so I really enjoyed the soap brow technique because it really puts all that bushy brow hairs to use. You know, so I guess you could achieve like the bushy brow by just doing this. Like my hairs are not stuck flat down onto my skin, but I feel like it is going to hold pretty well. My brow is looking so good. Oh my god, I love this. To be honest, you guys, I haven't had, even with the glycerin soap, I feel like sometimes even if you put too much of like setting spray on it, it tends to like not work too well, and it's really like it becomes such a pain in the butt to work with. But when I tell you that this is actually really a breeze to work with, and it really feels like my brow hairs are not going to go anywhere. Okay, I'm not going to fidget with it too much, but I'm just going to take my fingers and just press my hairs down to my skin. You don't even have to press your hairs down to your skin. I feel like this just works so well to like hold your brow hairs in place, which is crazy. Do you guys see that? Wow, that is beautiful. I feel like soap brows also just give such a beautiful lift to the face. And guys, when I tell you I put in like minimal effort into like brushing the hairs up, usually with like a typical glycerin soap, I have to like really press the hairs down because I have such thick bushy brows and like lots of hair on my brows. It doesn't really cover every single brow hair, and so I have to push to get the product everywhere, but this is super effective. So I'm impressed. Oh, okay, Pink Cosmetics. I'm gonna go in. Just spray 2 more squirts. It seems like 2 spritzes of the setting spray do a good job. And then just going to load my brush up. Definitely have a little bit more product on my spoolie this time around, but that's fine. So we're going to start from the center of the brow. And work our way throughout. So I notice it does feel like wet at first, but if you keep brushing your brow hairs, you guys can see how like gentle I'm being. It kind of dries down and then it's like easily moldable. So I'm just going to take my fingers, just press that hair down. Okay, I think it's safe to say that my left brow is the problematic brow always. Okay, so basically as this brow product tends to like dry down, like I said, it has a little bit more of like a tact to it, so it keeps your hairs in place, and you can totally like press your hairs down. I don't really mind if some of, like, not all of my hairs are like stuck to my skin. But this is what the soap brows look like, you guys. They look so cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my wet wipe and just wipe off any of the soap that is on the spoolie, and this is ready for its next use. I find that I don't like having my soap build up on the spoolie. I just think it becomes painful because once that soap dries down and hardens, it's not a vibe, it will scrape you. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with my Revlon Colorstay Brow Creator, and I'm going to go in with this really, really fine pencil that it has and draw in some brow strokes. Hold on, I saw this one hack on Benefit where like you need to put your pencil on a flat surface and then it creates like a flat end. And then you can use it to draw brow strokes, which is so clever. By the way, this pencil is in the shade Soft Black, which is very complementary to my natural brow color because I have like really, really dark eyebrows. Okay, so this is what my soap brows actually look like. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my makeup, and obviously I will be able to tell by the time I'm done with my makeup like what my thoughts on this is. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I will see you guys once my full face is done. Okay everyone, so this is what my final makeup look looks like, and I will have to say, like, the brows, I mean, some of them came away from my face, which I didn't mind, but I mean, they're pretty much still in place and they're still looking fab and fresh and amazing. Hold on, let me bring you guys in closer. Okay, so these are what the brows look like up close and personal. I absolutely love them. I will say some of the brow hairs did come away from my face, but I don't think that's such a big issue because they didn't like fall back down to my natural shape. They literally just came away and just stayed there, so I think that's completely fine. I would have to say this is definitely my new favorite product for soap brows. It just makes it so easy, and yeah, thank you so much to Jenna from Pink Cosmetics for sending me this new innovation. I absolutely love this kit, and I would say if you guys are struggling with the current soaps that you're using or anything else, I would definitely say that this kit is worth it. I am going to be living my best soap brow life from now on, especially with the fact that this comes with instructions. It lets you know everything, and there's no kind of guessing game with how much of setting spray to put in the product and kind of having to work that wet glycerin soap vibe situation. I feel like this soap is definitely a lot easier to work with. I feel like it dries down a little faster, so it gives you complete and full control of your brow hairs, and as stubborn as my brow hairs are, they are staying in place, and like my makeup products have not affected the way this brow looks or the way this brow has been from the time I applied the soap till now after I've done my makeup routine. Okay everyone, so that is it for my review of my Pink Cosmetics brow soap kit. I absolutely love it. Genuinely, this is all I'm going to use for my soap brows moving forward. That's one of the reasons why I go between soap brow and normal brows, is because just the whole process of mixing that glycerin soap is just so off-putting for me, because it takes me a long time and then I have to take a beauty blender and physically press the hairs down. The fact that this soap and this kit actually cut down the time, I want to say not even by half, I think maybe a third of the time that I usually take to do my brows, is absolutely insane. So yeah, thank you so much to Pink Cosmetics for sending this to me for review. I absolutely love it. I cannot say enough good things about it. That is it for me. I love you guys so much. Comment down below, let me know, is soap brow still your thing, or have you gotten over the trend? I have not gotten over the trend, and I'm loving the way my brows look right now. So don't forget to slay all day, every day, with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye bye.